Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Carter Farr Show. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, today's podcast, we are going to be talking about the absolute fastest way to learn how to swing trade. This is a very, very common question I get asked is, Carter, I want to learn how to trade. What is the fastest way to trade and how to learn to trade, how to learn to navigate the market? So that's what we're going to be chatting about in today's video. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them in the comments. And if you guys want to learn how I trade, the strategies I use, I do have an amazing school where we teach everything about swing trading, my style, my strategies, how I find stocks. It's literally a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading and investing needs. I highly recommend it. And I'll put it down below. You guys can use code CRASH to get $50 off. So I'll see you in there. But guys, let's dive into this. So when it comes to swing trading, a lot of people have this mindset that it's an easy way to get rich quick. And honestly, one of the reasons I think that is because we always see people post their profits online on YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, whatever it may be. But a lot of people have these tendencies of posting their profits, which gives the association for beginners that this is easy. It's an easy way to make money, right? If this guy can do it, I can do it. But sadly, over 90% of swing traders actually fail. So the best approach and mindset that I've always had when it comes with trading and navigating the stock market is, what does that 10% do? The ones that are profitable and that have been doing this for a while, what do they do? Do they, fund an account and immediately start swing trading, when they're learning, or do they really take a step back and invest in that education and start that process of learning and, overall just paper trading and learning how to get in and out? I definitely think that the best approach and mindset that I wish I would have had was to take a step back and to really focus on education. What I did, I went at it with a completely wrong approach. I opened up a Robinhood account, I funded it that day, and I started trading. And obviously, I lost money, right? Maybe I had a couple of winners, but overall, I was just mostly just buying random stocks. I had no strategy, no edge on the market, which caused me to lose money in the long run. Now, after I lost some money, I took a step back and I tried to use everything that I lost as some sort of education, because I lost money and I didn't know what to do. So what I did was I searched online swing trading, and I started that process of learning, investing in that education. I took courses, I joined groups, I just started that process. And one of the things that I think a lot of people should do if they're starting out is to paper trade. Paper trading is using simulated money to practice a strategy and to get an edge on the market. The one that I chose is Moomoo, and they're the broker that I use today. I'll put them down below. They're absolutely fantastic. You guys can get like 15 free stock by signing up. So sign up. But overall, paper trading using simulated money, in my opinion, was a great way to start getting in and out of positions with some sort of know-how, right? Like, I kind of understood what I was doing, and I focused on that. So if I was starting out, and what I would tell people, and what I do tell people, is to paper trade for at least 6 months to a year. Now, the reason why is because you want to learn how to trade in a variety of market conditions. Obviously, I do see more profitable swing traders that paper trade in that range than earlier. I see people all the time that only paper trade for 30 days, and what do they know? They lose money, and that's not a huge surprise. And the ones that paper trade for longer have a tendency to be a little more profitable in the long run. So once you guys do that, the next thing that I would recommend doing is to do something called a one share trade. What this is it's swing trading one share. Now, the mindset I've always had is, if you're profitable with one share, you can be profitable with 2 shares, 3 shares, 4 shares, 5 shares, 10 shares, 100 shares. So the great thing about only trading one share is you're slowly introducing capital, because after you paper trade, really you don't have any emotions involved, right? Because it's not your money. But the second you guys start using your own money, that's when emotions start playing a bigger factor. Once you do that, once you are doing one share and you're profitable, then move on to 2. then 4, then 6, then 8, and then just start introducing a little more capital, just a little slower. I do see a lot of people that will swing trade even if they swing trade for 6 months. Then after they swing trade for 6 months, they fund an account with $3,000 or $4,000. They start trading, and then they're like, oh my goodness, I'm losing money, and emotions play a factor, and before you know it, they burn through that account. So introducing capital just at a little lower of a rate is a fantastic way to learn the emotion side of trading, because emotions are so important, right? I do see a lot of beginners, when they lose money, they always think, oh, how can I win this back? How can I get this money back? But if you're thinking that, you're already in the wrong headspace. And before you know it, you'll burn through an account. Compared to okay, I lost money. Let's review and see what happened. Okay, maybe I took profits here. Maybe I should have put my stop loss here. My entry could have been a little better. My exit could have been a little better. Using that, as a lesson rather than, oh no, I lost money, let's move on, is going to be a great way to make sure you guys are going to be a profitable swing trader a lot faster than people that don't do that. But overall, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just a short and sweet little video I wanted to chat with you guys about. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them in the comments. If you guys want to learn to trade, check out my course, and we will see you guys later when we go live. We're going live at 1 p.m. where we're breaking down all of my swing trades. So I'll see you guys there. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.